guys, I got a customer that's got a Zoeller pump down in the basement that died. She kept hitting it with a broom for the switch to come on and off, but it's an older one, and I guess it finally gave up the ghost, so it's... Well, it is an older unit, so I'm not going to brag on the Zoeller because it did live a long life. I get pissed off the ones that only live 2 years. Some of the ones I get pissed off about. The older ones were good. They lasted a long time, so we're going to go over there. I don't buy Zoeller no more. I buy Liberties. For that reason, they had a lot of problems with switches. And, I don't know. So I got a Liberty here. I'm gonna go pop that one in there for her. Flipping hot as hell out today. Got a ton of calls, phone's ringing off the flipping hook. I'm gonna go swap out that pump and maybe do some more AC calls tonight. Might work late, I don't know. I guess it don't hurt to work late once in a while. Make the money. So the plug over there knows the plug's working because my light's plugged into it. I unplugged the dryer, the washing machine. And this is the pump. You can see the float's all the way up. That's not running. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this right here. Put a jed clamping on it and pull the pump right out. I'll put a Liberty in there. I'm just going to cut that and put a jed clamp it right there. Be easy. So you guys don't fall in the drink. It's not working anyway. She says it's old. It's an old pump. That's back when Zoeller was good. 20 years ago. They were good pumps. Not anymore. There's a leaker. There's a leaker. Blue. I guess so, huh? Yeah. Okay. I don't know where that goes. Up and out somewhere. He's a leaker, Mama. She's a leaker. Something smells burnt here. I don't know if you guys get wet or not. But don't fall in the drink. Back in the day when Zoeller was good. Just get another. Let me let that maybe. Oh, it's gonna come off. Oh shit, huh? Yeehaw. Square spaced. Get a place to have It's one of them days I've been busting my ass on everything I touch. Everything I touch is fucking 7.5. One of those days. This one didn't have a hole in it, Mr. Zoeller, and it lasted, what, 15 years? So, the theory with the hole in it goes out, the theory that it has to have a hole in it just went out the window. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. So already has a fucking hole in it right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but see that hole right there? Shouldn't need another hole, but they want you to drill another one anyway to cover their sorry ass. So we'll do it. Drill another hole for them, just for shits and giggles. Just for shits and giggles. They all say they want a 3/16 hole. That's 3/16. So see what size the hole is that they already put in there. It's actually smaller than 3/16, so we'll put one right here. I like to put it on an angle shooting down if I can. Put it so it shoots down, right? So we'll get another hole in there. Let's see if we get this Liberty down in the drink there without too much of a problem. I'll give it the old Jed clamp it. Oh, Mom, we'll give it the old Jed clamp it, Mom. It's fucking pumping. I'm killing myself. I'm killing myself here. I need to retire soon. So, I'm looking for a rich lady I could retire. She could take care of me. Looking for a rich lady. She can feed me grapes and bonbons. I won't have to work. What's the chances of that happening? Slim to none. Alright, so we put a Jed clamper right there. It makes it easier to get in and out. And once we plug it in, she should be off to the races. I can the old Jed clamp it. The old Jed clamp it and the Liberty pump. Will it work? I should do one of them will it runs. Will it run? Can I get it to run? Here we go, Mama. Get on your britches. Hang on to your britches, Mama. Here we go, we're off and running. She's pumping. There you go. There you go, Mama. She's a crusty one. There she is. Six, 721. Yeah, it works now.
Nice new cover and everything?
Well, I just spun the cover around because you had it backwards. You had it upside down.
Oh,
I just had to add this little extender in here because they were both like bottom feeders.
Oh, okay.
You know, kind of like bottom feeders. So this little extension and it grounds to there makes it work.
Oh, all right.
See it?
Yeah.